Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So whenever you wish to force restart of your device, all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up buttons and keep holding. And once you see the logo, you can release the buttons and smoothly wait till your device is rebooted. And now provide your details, so in my case it's my lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds and now you can smoothly use your device in a normal way. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.